Today I am going to explain problems related to the yesterday's concept. See first one, the value of c1 square plus 2c2 square plus 3c3 square and so on plus ncn square. See, by observing the coefficients of c1 square, c2 square, c3 square, they are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are in AP. So there is a formula when coefficients are in AP. See yesterday's formula, a into c naught square plus a plus d c1 square, coefficients are in AP and square of and contain squares of binomial coefficients. Formula for that 2a plus nd into 2ncn by 2. But here first term missing, not c0 square term missing. So we can add and subtract that one. No need to add and subtract because its preceding term is clearly common difference is 1, its coefficient is 1. So its preceding coefficient is 0. 0 into c0 square is always 0. So no need to subtract more. So clearly this is in the form of a into c0 square plus a plus d c1 square and so on. Formula for that 2a plus nd into 2ncn by 2. Okay. So the value of a is 0. The value of d is common difference 1. Therefore 1 into n. So n by 2 into 2ncn answer. Next is similar problem. Same. Coefficients are in AP and alternative plus or minus terms. So then there is application. See, application of this one, formula for a c0 square minus a plus d c1 square plus a plus 2d c2 square. So coefficients are in AP and alternative plus or minus signs. Then there are two formulas for that. That is, if n is even, 2a plus nd by 2 into minus 1 whole power n by 2, ncn by 2. If n is odd, that's value is 0. So here also first term missing. So first term is clearly 0 into c0 square. So again this required can be expressed as minus of 0 into c0 square minus 1 into c1 square plus 2 into c2 square and so on. See the given one and this one both are equal. This is the value of this one is 0. Minus of minus plus term. Next to minus of plus minus and so on. And given that CR is 2n CR. So in the place of n there is 2n. 2n is always even. So when even formula 2a plus nd by 2 minus 1 whole power n by 2 ncn by 2. This formula. Okay. So clearly a value 0, n value 2n because actual CR is NCR. But here given that CR is 2n CR. So it means the value of n is 2n. So minus 1 whole power 2n by 2, 2nc, 2n by 2. So by simplify get minus 1 whole power n plus 1 into n into 2ncn. See next problem, third one. The value of c0, c2 plus c1, c3 plus c2, c4 and so on plus c8, c10 equal to where cr equal to 10 cr. Means C0 means 10C0 into 10C2 plus 10C1 into 10C3 plus 10C2 into 10C4 and so on, required value. So clear formula. Yesterday's one of the standard result, C, 8th one. The value of C0 CR plus C1 CR plus 1 and so on formula 2nc n minus r. So by keeping r equal to 0, 1, 2 get results అని చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన కేసు ఏంటి r ప్లేస్ లో 2 తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా 2ncn minus r keep r equal to 2. So this is formula 2ncn minus r. Okay, r value, n value 10, r value 2. So 2nc 8. So n value 10 kada, 2 into 10 10, 20 c8 answer. Next C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square and so on, C25 square, where CR is 25 CR. Again same first application. See formula for yesterday's notes, C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square and so on plus Cn square formula 2n Cn. Okay, so here n value 25. N value 25. So 2n Cn means 50C 25. Next, 8C0 square minus 8C1 square plus 8C2 square and so on. So C0 square minus C1 square plus C2 square, value alternative plus or minus. There are two formulae, when n is even and n is odd. This is formula. C0 square minus C1 square plus C2 square and so on. If n is even, formula minus 1 whole power n by 2 nc n by 2. If n is odd, that's value is 0. So clearly in the place of n here 8. So n value 8. So first formula minus 1 whole power n by 2 nc n by 2. So put n equal to 8. So get required 8C4 answer. Next is same 30C0 square minus 13C1 square plus 30C3 square and so on. Same formula, but in the place of n there is 13 odd number. So when n is odd, that's value is 0, second case. See, next one, seventh one. The value of 10C1 into 9C5 plus 10C2 into 9C4 plus 10C3 into 9C3 plus and so on 10C6 into 9C0. See, yesterday's notes formula related to this one. This is NC0 into MCR plus NC1 into MCR minus 1 plus NC2 into MCR minus 2 plus and so on. See the conditions of this one. In each one, some of the suffix values are the values of suffix, the NCR suffix values are increasing and MCR suffix values are decreasing. So first term 0 R, last term R0. Then formula for that m plus n CR. M plus n CR. Name of this one is Vender's theorem. Okay. So this is very, very important. See here, same seventh one, 10C1 into 9C5 plus 10C2 into 9C4 plus 10C3 into 9C3 plus and so on. So here first term is missing. What is first term? See, by observe suffix values in each term, sum of the suffix values is 6. 1 plus 5 6, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 3 6 and so on. Okay, but first term is missing. So we have to add and subtract that term. First term is 10C0 9C6. So a term both sides add cheste, then so from that formula this is equal to 10 plus 9 C6 19 C6. So by using that we can find the value of x by simplifying. See the class notes, clearly you can understand. See eighth one. If 1 plus x whole power 15 equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on a15x power 15, then the value of sigma r equal to 1 to 15 r into ar by ar minus 1. So clearly from the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 15 expansion, see the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 15 equal to 15C0 plus 15C1 into x plus 15C2 into x square plus and so on. So power of x is 1, suffix value 1, power of x is 2, suffix value 2. So clearly these are a0 is 15C0, this is 15C1, a2 is 15C2, a3 is 15C3. Therefore r into ar is 50 ncr means 15cr. Okay, here n is 15, ncr by ncr minus 1. See one of the properties of ncr by ncr. See the first class of binomial theorem, ncr by ncr minus 1 formula, n minus r plus 1 by r. R cancel. Now we have n plus 1 minus r. N value 15. 15 plus 1. So 16 minus r. Now open this sigma. When r is 1, 15. When r is 2, 14 and so on. When r is 15, 1. That's required 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on 15. So sigma 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n formula. N into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 15. So by simplify 120. See ninth one. Sigma r equal to 0 to 10 CR. Here CR means NCR into 2 power r plus 1 by r plus 1. So in denominator r plus 1. So here CR means 10 CR in bracket given. CR is 10 CR. Okay. So ఇక్కడ r plus 1 cancel చేయాలంటే 10 CR కి NCR formula. See NCR formula r plus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 1 C r plus 1. See this is one of the properties of NCR. See the first class of binomial theorem. Daily యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇది. ఓకేనా? సో కిందున్న ఇక్కడ r plus 1 క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలంటే కంపల్సరీగా ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకే. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా 10 CR ఈక్వల్ టు r plus 1 by 10 plus 1. Thus this r plus 1 cancel. 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 1 by 11 we can write outside. Now we have 11c r plus 1 into 2 power r plus 1. Now I am open the sigma. When r is 0, when r is 1, when r is 2, when r is 10. Okay. Now I am add and subtract this term because see 1 plus x whole power n expansion formula nc0 in plus nc1 into x plus nc2 x square plus and so on. But here we have only nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square and so on. So there is no first term nc0. So to apply this formula I am add and subtract this term. Okay. The value 11c0 value 1, 2 power 0 value 1. Finally its value is 1. So 1 add chesi subtract chesinattu. Now by using this formula sum of these terms equal to 1 plus 2 whole power 11. In the place of x here 2. In the place of n here 11. 1 plus 2 whole power 11 minus 1. Front 1 by 11. Therefore 1 by 11 into 3 power 11 minus 1 answer. See next 10th one. Sigma r equal to 0 to 20 r into 20 minus r into 20 CR whole square. So ఇవన్నీ advanced problems. Okay. 20 CR whole square means 20 CR into 20 CR. No change in first one. Again by using formula NCR equal to NC n minus r. 20 CR equal to 20C 20 minus r. Now I am using this formula. NCR equal to n by r into n minus 1 C r minus 1. So ఈ r cancel చేయటం కోసం ఈ 20 CR కి by using this formula we can write 20 by r into 19 C r minus 1. Similarly to cancel this 20 minus r I am applying this formula to this term. Okay, n by r means 20 by 20 minus r into 20 minus 1 19c minus 1 చేస్తే 19 minus r. Thus finally r cancel 20 minus r cancel. Write this 20 into 19 outside. 20 into 20 400 outside. Now we have inside 19cr minus 1 19c 19 minus r. Now open this sigma. Put r equal to 0, r equal to 1, r equal to 2 and so on, r equal to 20. Now this is in the form of by using Vender's theorem. ఇప్పుడే జస్ట్ చూపించాను మీకు Vender's theorem. NC0 into MCR plus NC1 into MCR minus 1 and so on. Formula M plus NCR. Therefore 19 plus 19C 18. So 38C 18. Okay. Next problem. Maximum value of 20CR into 10C0 plus 20CR minus 1 into 10C1 and so on. So by Vender's theorem, this is equal to formula M plus N CR means 20 plus 10 CR. Now required is maximum value of this one. So మనం first class of we had seen the formula for maximum value of NCR in the first class of binomial theorem. If n is even, NCR has maximum value at r equal to n by 2. R equal to n by 2 means 15. Therefore, its maximum value is 13C 15. Okay. Next, 12th problem. If an equal to nc0 into nc1 plus nc1 into nc2 plus and so on, such that an plus 1 by an equal to 15 by 4, then the value of n. So clear, this is nothing but c0 into c1 plus c1 into c2 plus and so on. Yesterday already we have discussed the first standard result. This is c0 cr plus c1 cr plus 1 and so on. R place lo 1 తీసుకోండి. When R is 1, that formula becomes C0 C1 plus C1 C2 plus C2 C3 plus and so on. Formula for that 2nc n minus 1. Okay. So formula for this 2nc n minus 1. So from that formula, this is equal to, this an equal to 2nc n minus 1. Okay. Now required an plus 1 by an. So n place lo in the above, in this formula n place lo n plus 1 తీసుకుంటే an plus 1 వస్తుంది by an. Now this is nothing but 2n plus 2 cn by 2nc n minus 1. Apply the formula NCR by using formula, basic formula. NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So by apply this formula to both numerator and denominator and simplify, get quadratic in the variable n, get the values, two values of n. They are 2 and 4. Next, 12th one. See, sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr minus 1 by ncr plus ncr minus 1 equal whole cube equal to 25 by 24, then the value of n. So solve the equation type. I am dividing the numerator and denominator with ncr minus 1. See, I am dividing the numerator and denominator by ncr minus 1 inside. So numerator 1 ncr by ncr minus 1 plus 1. There is formula for NCR by NCR minus 1. See, this is one of the properties of NCR. See the first class of binomial theorem. Formula for this n minus r plus 1 by r. By simplify, get r cube by n plus 1 whole cube. So n plus 1 whole cube is constant with respect to this sigma. Because sigma r equal to 0 to n means r variable, n constant. So we can write that one outside. Sigma r cube formula. Sigma r cube means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on. N cube formula n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So n plus 1 whole square cancel. Now we have n square by n plus 1. Its value is given. That is 15 by 4. That is. Okay. Sorry. Here. 25 by 24. So by simplify, get quadratic in the variable n. By factorize, get to two values. They are 5 and minus 5 by 6. So n is always positive integer. So minus 5 by 6 is not possible. See next problem, 13th one. If f of m equal to sigma I equal to 0 to m, this is notation for NCR. See the first class of binomial theorem. NCR is also denoted by this bracket of n comma r, or capital C of n comma r అని ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. సో పైన n రాసి కింద r రాసి ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్ రాస్తే దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే NCR. సో meaning of this one is 30C 30 minus I into meaning of this one is 20C m minus I. Okay, then the values of first one f of 0 plus f of 1 plus and so on, f of 50 and sigma m equal to 0 to 50 f of m whole square. See, solution f of m equal to, open this sigma. So this bracket means 30c 30 minus I, its one means 20c m minus I. Now open this sigma when I is 0, when I is 1, when I is 2 and so on. So from Vender's theorem, formula for this, so m plus n CR. So 30 plus 20, 50 cm. So indirectly f of m is equal to 50 cm. Now required f of 0. F of m is 50 cm. Therefore f of 0 is 50 c0. F of 1 is 50 c1. F of 2 is 50 c2 and so on. F of 50 is 50 c50. So 50 c0 plus 50 c1 and so on, 50 c50. c0 plus c1 plus c2 plus and so on, c50 value 2 power n. So 2 power 50 answer. Similarly second one, f of m is 50 cm. So required, open this sigma. 50 c0 whole square plus 50 c1 whole square and so on means c0 square plus c1 square plus c2 square plus c3 square and so on, formula 2n cn. See, c0 square plus c1 square plus c2 square and so on plus cn square, formula 2n cn. Already we had discussed in yesterday's class. See the yesterday's class notes. So here n value 50. So 2n cn means 100c 50. See one more standard result. This is also important by heart. The value of c0 plus c1 by 2 into x plus c2 by 3 into x square plus c3 by 4 into x cube plus and so on. Cn by n plus 1 into x power n is 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. See the coefficients. Denominator of C1 is 2, denominator of C2 is 3, denominator of C3 is 4. So suffix value 2 x power 2, suffix value 3 x power 3 and so on. So by these conditions, formula for this 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. So we can prove this one in so many methods. Here I am giving 3 methods, but I am explaining only first method, but I will send the class notes. So by seeing the notes you can understand the remaining 2 methods of proof of this one. See first method, LHS. C0 means NC0 means 1, C1 means NC1 n, C2 means NC2, formula n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial means 2 by 3 into x square. C3 means NC3, formula n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial. Already there is by 4 into x cube and so on. Okay. Now I am multiplying dividing with n plus 1 into x. Multiplying dividing with, see the RHS. Denominator of RHS is n plus 1 into x. That's why I am multiplying dividing with n plus 1 into x. So into n plus 1x, into n plus 1 into x, into n plus 1x and so on. Okay. Again rewrite. N plus 1 can replace with n plus 1 c1. For any value of n, nc1 value n. So n plus 1 is nothing but n plus 1 c1. Here product of 2 consecutive factors by 2 factorial. That is formula of nc2. But here in the place of n plus 1. So n plus 1 c2 x square. So this is product of 3 consecutive numbers by 3 factorial. So that is formula of, and start from n plus 1. Therefore that is formula of n plus 1 c3. See the NCR notation and how to write the values of NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, first class of binomial theorem. Then you can understand this one. N plus 1 C3 x cube and so on. So formula for 1 plus x whole power n is nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube plus and so on. Okay, so see this formula and observe terms of this one. So in the place of n there is n plus 1 and also first term is missing here. So by adding and subtract that term means n plus 1 c naught. n plus 1 c naught add చేసి subtract చేసిన. That's value is 1. So add చేసిన తర్వాత by using this formula sum of all these terms is 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 from this formula. That subtracted term n plus 1 c naught value 1. Thus LHS equal to 1 by n plus 1 into x 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1. So don't learn this proof. The IP code important em kaadu, but by heart this formula. But see the conditions of this one. First to binomial coefficient to C0, next to C1, next to C2 and so on. See the denominators. Denominator of C1 is 2, denominator of C2 is 3, denominator of C3 is 4. And see the powers of x, suffix value 1, x power 1, suffix value 2, x power 2, suffix value 3, x power 3 and so on. So by you, for these conditions, formula for this 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. But in some cases, first two term or first two terms are missing. In that case, we have to add and subtract the required term, then we can apply this formula. Okay. See the problems related to, not problems, first applications. Applications means by keeping x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, get different results. See applications. Put x equal to 1, get one result. Put x equal to minus 1, get another result. Put x equal to 2, put x equal to, by adding and dividing, get one more result. By subtract, get one more result. By keeping x equal to 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, etc. get some more results. Okay. So no need to by heart the applications, but by heart this one. See the required. So by keeping x equal to 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, get required results. See the problem. Example. The value of C0 by 1 plus C2 by 3 plus C4 by 5 and so on. So direct formula. See, second application. C0. Yes. Second application. C0 plus C2 by 3 plus C4 by 5 plus and so on formula 2 power n by n plus 1. So formula for this 2 power n by n plus 1. Okay. Here n value in bracket given CR equal to 16 CR means the value of n is 16. Therefore 2 power 16 by 17. Here I am solving in 4 methods. See method 1, method 2, method 3 and method 4. See the given notes. You can understand by seeing the notes. But by heart the result without written work you can find the answer. So by using this formula with suffix values are even 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. Then formula 2 power n by n plus 1. If suffix values are odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Then formula 2 power n by n minus 1. See the formula. See the problem. C1 by the value of C1 by 2 plus C3 by 4 and so on. C15 by C6. C15 by only 16, that is not C16. Where CR equal to 15 CR. So suffix values are odd numbers. So formula 2 power n by n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 by n. Okay. But here నేను ఇక్కడ ఆర్డినరీ మెథడ్లో చేశాను చూడండి. బట్ దీనికి కూడా ఫార్ములా ఉంది, చూపిస్తాను ఫార్ములా. See formula C1 by C2 plus C3 by 4 C5 by 6 and so on formula 2 power n minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So by using that formula, value of this one is n value 15, therefore 2 power n minus 1 by n plus 1. 2 power 15 minus 1 by 15 plus 1. Okay. Next problem. The value of C0 plus C1 by 2 into 4 plus C2 by 3 into 16 plus and so on. Direct formula. This is first basic formula. See, C0 plus C1 by 2 into x plus C2 by 3x square plus and so on formula. 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. Okay. So here in the place of x 4. So by using this formula, 1 plus 4 means 5 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x value 4. Direct. So method, there are method 2, method 3 also. So they are general methods. See, last one. The value of C0 by 2 plus C1 by 6 plus C2 by 12 and so on. Cn by n plus 1 into n plus 2. See, first there is no shortcut or formula for this. If there is no formula for any problem, see the working rule, how to find these type of problems, how to solve these type of problems. First write the general term. So there is hint in the last term. General term is clearly CR by R plus 1 into R plus 2, where R equal to 0 to n. Here CR means NCR. So to cancel R plus 1, R plus 2, formula for NCR, R plus 1 by n plus 1, R plus 2 by n plus 2 into n plus 2, CR plus 2. Okay. See, this is one of the properties of NCR. See the first class of binomial theorem class notes. So ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ చేయడం కోసం ఆ ఫార్ములా 2 times అప్లై చేసాం. Now R plus 1, R plus 2 cancel. We can write n plus 1, n plus 2 outside because they are independent of this notation sigma. Now open this sigma. When R is 0, n plus 2 C2. When R is 1, n plus 2 C3 and so on. But NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 and so on formula 2 power n, but here in the place of n there is n plus 2 and moreover first two terms are missing here. So by add and subtract those two terms, that by using this formula, sum of all those terms is 2 power n plus 2. These two are subtracting terms. They are NC0 case and NC1 case. Therefore, clearly n plus 2 C0 value 1, n plus 2 C1 value n plus 2. So 2 power n plus 2 minus 1 minus of n plus 2. So that is minus 3 minus n. Okay. So these are problems related to this 14